Hey, how you doing? Gary Anvil. I have today a storage defense master lock copy, I would say. Um, 40 millimeters of Chinesium. It's locked. I have no key. I put the bottom of the keyway with kind of light tension, light to moderate tension. With a medium hook. I call it a medium hook. And right to the back of the keyway, as per my normal. Alright. I give it a little twist and turn. It's my thing. Either that or I'll do that with the pick to make sure my core is loose. You know, the pins have dropped. I never know with an old padlock. So anyway, back to the keyway. Little click out of 4. Thing on 3. Little click on 2. And number 1. Now I always have a problem with getting that first pin for some reason. My pick keeps slipping off it. So I'm sure I'm not the first one to think of this. But I turn my pick around and put it in upside down and just kind of rock it up on that first pin, not too far in, just enough to get some leverage, and make the pin my fulcrum point. And there we go. That's single pin picking. We'll try a zip. Try to zip it. There you go. Again, I could have probably found a better tool to do this with. One more time for good luck. Yeah, see? I should have stopped when I was ahead. There you go. Okay. And one more. The rake. Although, I'm not raking leaves yet, but I'm not raking here either. Calling the liar out of me. There you go. This lock is so sloppy that I don't even have to really rake it. I just put the thing in and pull it back out just as fast as a key. Almost. The proper way is to kind of rock it back and forth, which is even easier. I mean, come on. One more time. Oh, nobody's perfect. There you go. Storage defense doesn't have any defense. Thanks.